Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today, we're going to talk about how to add and manage tables in Google Docs. Tables are great for organizing content into columns and rows, similar to what you do in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. If you want to insert and work with tables within Google Docs, here's how you do it. First, decide where you want the table to be in your document. Place your cursor there, then go to the Insert menu and select Table. It's the second option. A visual grid will appear, letting you choose the size of your table. For example, if you want a 3x3 table, hover over the grid until it highlights a 3x3 area, then click to insert it. Your table will be added to your document. Navigating within the table is straightforward. You can click on individual cells to select them, or you can use keyboard shortcuts to move around. Pressing the Tab key will move your cursor from left to right across the cells, while Shift plus Tab will move it from right to left. To move up or down through the rows, use the arrow keys on your keyboard. This makes it easy to fill in your table efficiently. Now, let's talk about customizing your table. You can adjust the size of rows and columns to fit your content better. Click on the border of a row or column and drag it to resize. Dragging down will increase the row height, and dragging up will decrease it. Similarly, dragging the column borders left or right will adjust the column width. This flexibility allows you to create a table that perfectly suits your needs. Working with text inside the table is similar to working with any other text in Google Docs. Click to select a cell, or click and drag to select multiple cells. To align the text within your table, select the cells you want to format, go to the alignment options in the toolbar, and choose your desired alignment. For example, if you want to center align the text, select the cells and click the Center Alignment button. This will center the text in the selected cells, making your table look more organized. There are additional formatting options as well. You can change the color of the text within a table by selecting the text and using the usual text formatting options available in Google Docs, such as changing the font style or size. If we want to change the font style, we can select a different one from the drop-down menu, and the text will update accordingly. And if you want to change the font size, just click the drop-down and type or select a given font size. Most people like to change the color of the text or the background of the table. To change the background color of a row, highlight the row, go to the background color option in the toolbar, and select your desired color. As you can see, the selected row now has a new background color. The same process applies to columns. Click and hold to select the entire column, then choose a background color, and the column's background color will change. Next, let's look at adding or removing columns and rows. Right-click on the table, and you'll see options to insert a row above or below, or a column to the left or right. For example, if I want to insert a row below, I select that option, and a new row appears below the one I selected, adopting the same formatting. The same goes for columns. I can right-click, select Insert Column to the right, and a new column will be added with the same formatting. If you need to undo an action, use Command or Ctrl+Z, just like you normally would in Google Docs. Lastly, let's talk about table properties. Select the entire table, right-click, and choose Table Properties. This brings up several options. Quick Layouts. This option provides predefined table layouts that you can apply to your table quickly. These layouts can help you save time by offering ready-made designs that you can easily apply to your tables, ensuring a consistent and professional look for your table. Table. Under this option, you can adjust the overall settings of the table. This includes changing the border color and thickness, adjusting the cell padding, which is the space between the cell content and the cell borders, and setting the table alignment within the document, left, center, or right. Column. Here, you can modify the properties of individual columns. You can set a specific column width, which is useful if you want all columns to be of equal width or if you need certain columns to be wider or narrower than others. Row. This option allows you to adjust the properties of individual rows. You can set a fixed row height, which is helpful if you want all rows to have the same height, or if you need certain rows to be taller or shorter than others. Cell. Under this option, you can change the settings for individual cells. You can adjust the cell vertical alignment, top, middle, or bottom, set a specific cell width and height. And merge cells to create larger cells that span multiple rows or columns. Color. This option lets you customize the table's color scheme. You can change the background color of the entire table, individual rows, columns, or cells. You can also set the border color for the table, rows, columns, and cells to match your desired color scheme. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to add and manage tables in Google Docs, customize their appearance, and use table properties to fine-tune your tables. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.